Namaste, I'm Shiva Swati and I'm making this video to download a message from God that opening schools and colleges at this time is completely non-advisable even for taking exams. It is better to conduct non-online exams from home if the exam can be prepared in a way that there is no cheating, because if you want to complete the paper you cannot cheat it. There are so many questions, and it is much wiser to have the exam from home, for all those who have computers. And otherwise you can have open book exams, you can send the question papers home or mark from assignments, than risk people with this coronavirus, because then the coronavirus will increase. So that is definitely a problem, that you will blow up the situation, and there can be more infections and more problems for the government, to for the hospitals, and there can be more deaths. So this is a time for ending of Kali Yuga and beginning of Satyug. So you cannot prevent it completely, but you can minimize it by having online exams as much as possible. You can have online exams, otherwise you can have you can send question papers home and let them write and give the answers. So even if some more people pass, it won't make such a big difference, because anyway your jobs are limited, so you are not going to, they have to give entrance exams for jobs also. So it is not that everyone who passes will immediately get a job, and it is not about injustice to those who could not pass earlier because there were no online exams, because one is that they can give the exam now, and second is that this is an emergency situation, and in an emergency situation you have to take steps which are not normal. So you should not be competitive all the time, that they got away more easily. You should be compassionate, that okay, they got away more easily and life balances. There will be difficult situations in other areas in their life, and there will be easier situations in other areas in our life. So basically compassionate thinking and non-competitive thinking is needed. There has been no effort on the part of any government of any country to reduce population, to install measures to reduce population, or to change the schooling system so that children become less aggressive. Right now schooling is making children very very aggressive. Nobody is even bothered to notice this. The syllabus is extremely difficult, too lengthy, and completely meaningless for students. And but everyone is insistent that studying is the panacea for all problems, whereas 90% don't even go to school, and even if they do go to schools they hardly remember anything later in life. The situation can be controlled by teaching positive thinking on a mass scale, meditation on a mass scale, with focus on your head, not chanting rhymes like mantras and rhymes and rituals and prayers like nursery children. Earth is evolving from a primary stage to a secondary stage, and you can no longer behave like two-dimensional children. When Earth is moving to dimension 4, these are like classrooms, and Earth is no longer just a primary school where you can simply chant prayers and think things will work. You have to actually work as a co-creator, as a part of God, and for that you have to teach children how to co-create with patience, tolerance, discipline, imagining, manifesting. All these things have to be taught by schools. Now, that will come in time. However, right now opening of schools and taking exams is going to blow up the problem, like it has increased in China in the same way. So that was simply a message from God as I meditate 4 to 5 hours, and I'm into this totally from several lifetimes. So right now, because we are at the verge of ending of Kali Yuga and at the beginning of Satyug, these messages matter, because they are changing people's thinking patterns to more positive and helping them survive. Even if one person hears, the thought spreads to several. They go in waves. So please like and subscribe, and thanks for listening.